Today's model home is a home with 1,900 square feet. Okay, that 1,900 square feet, guys, is just here on the outdoor living space. That's right, there's still 4,600 square feet inside, but today we're going to take a look at an absolutely incredible home with an amazing outdoor living space. Stay tuned. It's Amy with Heart and Home Orlando, and today we have a treat in store for you. We're going to take a look at this amazing Christopher Burton Luxury Homes model home. This is called the Laguna floor plan, and it is beyond spectacular. I don't know, we're going to have to come up with another word, so in the comments after you see this tour, you tell me what kind of adjective will describe it. But take a look at this home. The view, we have to go straight on so that you can see what makes this home so incredibly unique and truly spectacular. First of all, there is 1,900 square feet of just outdoor living space in this home. 4,600 square feet under heat, so air conditioning and heat, actual 4,600 square feet plus an additional 1,900 square feet out there. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a fun tour. So let's come back over here and let's go back and see what we missed when we kind of, were sidetracked by that gorgeous view. By the way, in that gorgeous view, I just want to tell you two things about that pool. So first of all, we have two incredible features turned off right now. First of all, that first spot up front has all of these bubblers, these fountains that come up out of the first section. There's also a waterfall that comes down. So when I first entered this home, it was bubbling up and it was cascading down out to the lake, and I kind of cried a little bit. It is absolutely something you have to see. So let's start this tour. This is a model home. By the way, this home is for sale as well, so you're going to want to call me and get the inside scoop on how that would work for you. But this is an incredible community. It's called Adelaide, and we are here. Again, this is a Christopher Burton Luxury Homes model home, and it is stunning. So in that 4,600 square feet, it's a one-story floor plan. Oh my goodness, that is so much square footage in a one-story. This is absolutely magnificent. Let's take a peek over here. So over here to the right, as soon as you enter into the door, into your front door, is your office space. Now, what's really nice about this is that, first of all, it is at the front. So if you do have clients that need to come and visit, or if you just need that private workspace, this is a great spot. You've got big, bright windows here. That's not just a regular window, but there's the window above the window, really letting that sunshine cascade right on in. And then, of course, you've got plenty of room here. But what I love about this is this right here. This huge picture window, this piece of glass right here, allows you to work and still see that gorgeous view from the back of your home. That's a really smart design option. Of course, you do have your frosted glass French doors, which is nice because it also provides you that privacy, which is something you might want to have as well when you talk about the office. Now, the other thing we talk about, this is a custom builder, right? So with custom builders, you have you just unlimited numbers of options with how you want your home to look, to feel, to smell. Actually, there are so many things you can do, and this is a great little option right here. So take a look at the wood flooring that they have, but they've created this this inset area here in your foyer, which is really nice because it helps define this space not only architecturally here with your columns or your pillars and your office over here, but also as far as what's under your feet, which is fabulous. So over here to the left is going to be your formal dining room. Remember, this is the Laguna floor plan, so they have other floor plans, and as a custom builder, you really can pick and choose what you want and how you want to configure it. When you have such incredible builders like Christopher Burton and these luxury homes, I consider all of these homes, these model homes and these floor plans as kind of the jumping off point. It's a way to help you get inspired and to figure out what floor plan works for you. And if it works perfectly on paper as they have it, then fabulous. fabulous. But if you need a few tweaks, this is the type of builder you need to come to. All right, so beautiful dining room here. I love the fact that they mirrored the wall, just design tips that are kind of secondary to the overall beauty of the home, but some design tips. I love that they've mirrored this section, and I really like the wine closet. You know, we just toured another home that has a wine closet, and this is a really nice thing, especially if that seems to be something that you're interested in. All right, let's keep looking into the actual hub of the home, the main living space. So one of my favorite things is actually this kitchen. So as soon as you come into the home, you notice the circular kind of accent, the architectural design that's up above. You can see that it is dropped down. You have your pendant lights, and you have the entire curved island. I love this. This is my favorite kitchen. This gives me all of the Amy things that Amy wants, right? I've got my curves, my intrigue, my personality. I've got that curved island here. I just love it. All of the cabinet and counter space. By the way, this is a gas community, so if that's something that you're looking for, they're going to be able to accommodate that for you here. We can check that off of your list. But if you take a look, you know, your microwave is down low. You've got, by the way, in the pantry area, there is another oven. Yeah, I'm going to show you that in a minute. I'm not kidding. But take a look at this, right? The cabinet, the architecture. With a custom builder, you have options that you don't necessarily have when you're doing a more common, like a production build. You've just got so many different choices, and that's one of the things that I think is a great way to make your home really speak to who you are. All right, so let's take a look over here at the family room area, and then we're going to kind of hit this side of the home. Remember, 4,600 square feet in a one-story floor plan is a lot of square footage to cover. So this here is your family room space, right? There's no denying where are you going to go. You're just going to sit anywhere along the back side of this home because you're going to stare at that all day long. So over here you can see that you have plenty of square footage. They've got 2 big sofas here, 2 chairs, large coffee table, and one of my favorite things is this brick wall here where they have the gas fireplace. Remember, it's a gas community, so you've got this as an option. And I will tell you, in Florida, we don't really have to heat our homes very often. We don't really have to have the heat from a fire. But right here, off of the lake, with these doors open and that breeze coming in, heaven right there. That is heaven. Absolutely spectacular. All right, let's take a peek back in this direction over here, and then we'll hit over on that side of the home. So back in this direction is going to be your pool bath as well as your incredible master. So let's take a peek back here. By the way, the flooring, just the continuity here throughout the home with the design is obviously, it's another spectacular thing to kind of notice. Also notice the baseboards. Do you see the additional intricacies of the baseboards? That's not just your typical, you know, just your normal baseboard. It's not even your upgraded, you know, 5-inch baseboard. That's again, that's another piece of art. All right, so coming over here, right here in this direction, you're going to have a huge closet. Now, again, this is a model home, so they use a lot of these closets for their storage, but this is a nice big closet with lots of shelving. Back over here is going to be your pool bath, which is actually a full bath. You have the dark tile flooring, you have a plank flooring all along the wall, not just in the shower, all along the wall. Okay, so if you're looking for designer tips, all along the wall. Say it with me. All along the wall. Fabulous. And then, of course, you've got your single sink cabinet mirror, all of it there with that direct access out there to the pool. Now, your master has one of my favorite things too, which is the grand double door entrance. So this is located here at the end of the hallway. What's really nice is that you have your own little master courtyard area, your entryway. To my right or to your left is the master bedroom, and then the bathroom is over here. But you could leave these doors open all day long, and even if you forgot to make your bed, nobody would know. All right, so come on in this way. So again, kind of your little entryway here, but let's go over to the right. This is the bathroom area, your master bathroom. So it's huge, plenty of space in here. So much room. You have the long countertops. You've got the privacy door for the toilet. You've got your freestanding tub here, but look at this shower. Even the shower's architecture is incredible. So look at this. So I mean, look at, it's not a regular shower. This is absolutely a piece of art as well. You've got the big piece of glass back behind it, and behind that, you might even see that you've got the outdoor shower for the pool area that's mounted to the wall back behind you. All right, so now back over here, we want to point this out too. too. So you actually have access to that pool area through the master bedroom. But this is what's really interesting. So you notice at the very beginning of the video that we talked about, there was a garage section on one side and a garage section on the other. So the garage section on that side of the home was an oversized 2-car. Take a look at this. This is another 2-car garage. Now again, it's a model home, it's their office, so please ignore all of the stuff that's in it. But the point is, you come home, long day of work, you're exhausted. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, if you're working that late. You come in, you can pull into the garage here, you have access immediately into your bathroom, get your shower, and just get into bed and let the sounds of the waves in the pool lull you to sleep, my friends. All right, so over here we have a giant closet. Beautiful, love the custom closet organization systems. And then in here you have another reach-in, walk-in closet here with some additional storage. So really nice closets. And then the master bedroom. I mean, come on. This is, you know, here's the thing. It's a dreamer's delight, but it's real. Like, these homes are for real people, and you just might be that person. Yeah, the price point may be a little bit different, but you know what? These homes are absolutely spectacular and so worth it. Look at this master bedroom. You have a lot of wall space in here, so you have a lot of room in the master, but this, again, this is what people want this home for. These sliders that just disappeared over here off into the abyss, right? They're over there. This is completely open, and there are no bugs. You know why there's no bugs? Because the whole thing is screened in. So this outdoor space is a part of your indoor space. It is all open and connected, and this is the way that you live, right? This is the way you live here in this home and in this area. So over here to my right, you're going to have a summer kitchen. Remember, please remember, this is the Laguna floor plan, but with a custom builder, this is just to give you that inspiration to start thinking and planning and dreaming for your own home. But I tell you what, this is a pretty spectacular option. Now, this is a silly thing, but it's something that I noticed because I love my curves, arches, and angles. And I love that the curve of this island here outside in the summer kitchen kind of gives a little nod to that curve of the island in the actual kitchen. I know that probably was not intentional, but it's something that I liked, and it just makes everything feel right. All right, outdoor living space. Oh my goodness. So first of all of this, you see the wood up on the ceiling and all of the ceiling fans. But all of this space here is directly open to that master bedroom. If we were to keep going out here, look at all of this uncovered area. I mean, it's covered with your screen, but you can put your lounge chairs out here and you can get your sun, you can read a book, you can just play, you can soak in the warmth of that sunshine, get your vitamin D. Absolutely amazing. And over there to your right is actually a fire pit or a fire feature. So it's not turned on right now, but if we did turn it on, you would see that part of it. So the pool itself is huge. This whole area right here is a sun shelf. So from about right here to where this curve starts to back here is a sun shelf. If you're not familiar with the sun shelf, put your chair, just sit down in it, but you're not totally submerged in the water. But if you want to go swimming, you want to play volleyball in the water, or you want to take your laps, you've got plenty of space there. Over here, this is just the most magnificent feature ever. This whole entire area is just bubbling with water. You can pop up the little water features, or the waterfall can cascade down right here, right in front of the family room, and right out there to that magnificent view of the lake. This is incredible. You've got additional outdoor space here. You've got so much space for lots of seating. Again, think about friends and family and people who are going to come over and really celebrate and enjoy time with you. So this is a great spot, outdoors and indoors. And speaking of indoors, let's go back in and finish up because we still have another whole side of the house to take a peek at. All right, so we're coming back in through the sliders over here. So here's the kitchen. Let's finish up over here, and then we're going to go up toward the front part of the home. It's a big one, guys. Okay, so kitchen. Amy loves kitchen bunches, like a lot. Like I'm in love with you. Okay, so over here, look at this. Look at this breakfast nook. First of all, again, it's circular. Got my curves and got my arches. Love my angles. This is so fabulous. So you have this spot, but what you may not see is that these two, you have this big, beautiful window here. Look at this gorgeous window. This is amazing, giving you an unobstructed view out there of that pool area and of that lake. So a little while ago, we talked about the pantry. So the pantry is tucked back over here. But not only do you have a beautiful big walk-in pantry, but they've given you an extra little fridge over here, and look over here to the right. Now, how smart is this? You are so smart. So smart. Love this. The extra oven here. You know, so many people want what we call the gourmet kitchen option when you're building your home, which gives you that double oven effect in most cases. That's spectacular. So if you've got a pantry that's large enough, and if you happen to be lucky enough to be working with Christopher Burton and building your dream home, file that one away, because that's a no-brainer. You got to do that. Okay. So now, oh my goodness, we're almost done, I promise. This is your game room, fun zone, flex space, whatever you want to reference it as, right? Lounge. It kind of feels very loungy. I love it. So you've got these French doors. They're going to go out to the pool area as well. So this is going to connect out there, all right? And then back over here, that lucky duck that happens to have this bedroom and this bathroom, it's almost like they've got their own zone. So you have another bedroom tucked back over here. This is in the back corner of the home. So again, they're going to be lucky and maximize that view of the lake back behind them. And then they have a huge closet as well. And then over here, you'll see that there is another full bathroom. And this one has an elongated countertop, one sink, and it has a tub shower combo. So that's all over here, right? So you've got bathroom, you've got bedroom. That connects immediately here to your game room, fun zone, flex space, lounge, I want room. And then we go back over here. Oh my gosh. Okay, this home, it is everything. It is so incredible. All right, so before I show you behind me, I'm just going to show you down the hall because I got to save that for last. So come with me around the corner. So down here is going to be your entryway from the other garage. So back here is the other oversized 2-car garage that we referenced a little while ago. Okay, so you have an oversized 2, and in this particular case, they have the additional garage door over there. So you have a double here, and there's a 1 over there for a golf cart. Okay. Over here is going to be your laundry room. So your laundry room is tucked back over here. Take a look at all of the shelving and the counter space that you have in this one as well. What's really nice is this has white cabinets, which is in a contrast to the kitchen cabinets that we had. But this is amazing. I love the color scheme in here. And I know, you know, when you do laundry, I like the white cabinets because it makes everything feel clean. Okay, so we have oversized 2-car garage entrance. We have laundry room. And then we still have another drop zone, launch zone, key drop, whatever you want to call it. This is a great nook if you wanted to customize it with some cubbies. Fabulous. But this is a great little spot. Now, are you ready? Oh my gosh. Okay. So here we are. This is something else completely spectacular. I don't want to mess up their doors. I'm going to barely touch them. Okay. So look at this. So you have double pocket sliders. These 2 sliders can obviously remain open, disappearing into the wall, or they can remain closed for privacy. When you come in through this area, you're going to have another little mini kitchenette. So before we keep going, what you should be thinking is, oh my gosh, I have a teenage son or daughter. Oh my gosh, I have a college age son or daughter. Oh my gosh, I have in-laws or family members, somebody that needs to come live with me. This is the perfect section of the home, okay? Private, you could theoretically say that they have a private entrance because remember, there's a garage on that side of the home. So garage entrance there, they can come in over here. You've got a wet bar area, you've got a fridge, put a little microwave, and again, it's a custom home, custom builder. So you could really make this a full little mini kitchen if you wanted and even have a little mini oven. Full bathroom over here. Now this bathroom is actually connected to this bedroom, okay? So we're gonna go back around and show you how that works. So over here is a bedroom. This is a full bedroom with a big walk-in closet, okay? And then back over here is a door that's gonna connect to a courtyard, and this is important. There's a courtyard here, okay? So take a look at this great little spot. It's a private courtyard. All right, now, so bedroom, full closet, connects to that full bathroom. So right here, you have all I can think about at the moment are my kids, right? So this is what I think about for them. This is their own zone. This is their own lounge, their own family room. Their TV is in here. Their gaming stuff is in here. They've got their snacks there. There's a bedroom over there. These doors can open. They can have fresh air. They can have a courtyard. They can have their buddies over or their friends hanging out. And then this is another bedroom, which is an ensuite. So this one is a bedroom that has its own private bathroom attached. That other one was attached both from the hallway as well is from the bedroom, but this is the actual private one. So over here, you have a nice private bathroom. Again, I love this that they've done the one sink, because you know what? It's for one person. One sink and extra counter space is super smart. You have a full shower over here and then the toilet. So nice area here, nice bedroom. And guess what? This one has the mirror image of the angled doorway that's going to take you out to that private courtyard. So I really can only think, in fact, like full disclosure, we did a FaceTime with my son before we did this video tour to show him this incredible space and how you could really use this multiple purposes for this room, whether it is a kid like mine, or whether it's an in-law or family members or college students, or if it's just additional living space. No matter what you need, how your family works, what you're looking for, I cannot imagine that this home doesn't provide it. But more importantly, I am absolutely confident that this builder, Christopher Burton Luxury Homes, would be able to provide that. They would be able to listen to you, talk to you about what you want and need, the dreams. We always say the must-haves, the have-to-have, or the must-haves, the want-to-haves, and the would-be nice-to-haves. Those are the things whenever I'm with my clients and we're talking about building their home. What are the most important things? What are the no-brainers? What are the deal breakers? And what are the, well, it would be nice to have that waterfall, but mostly I just want a pool. Things like that. You talk to this builder, they are going to be able to create and to find and to adapt a floor plan or create a brand new one for you. All right, I don't know about you, but I'm going to take a few extra minutes as I leave this home so that I can really soak it in, because it is so lovely. And so well done, well done, well done. This is a beautiful home. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Remember, I do not work for or represent the builder. I'm a realtor hoping to help connect you to your perfect home. And I think in this case, this is going to have connected quite a few of you. So thank you again for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Remember, it's free to use me as your buyer agent. All it takes is a quick phone call, and then I can tell you about the special Heart & Home Orlando incentive that you have for these Christopher Burton homes if you use me as your buyer agent. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe, stay well, and happy house hunting.